This book is called The Changing Outer Hebrides, Galson and the Meaning of Place. It's about the village of Galson in the Isle of Lewis in the Outer Hebrides and how that has changed through time. The book is essentially about what makes a place special, and it's also about change happens all the time, change is inevitable, and therefore it's looking at what those changes mean over time. So we begin with the very early stage of the formation of rocks on the planet. Some of the oldest rocks in the world form what's called Lewisian gneiss. That's the base rock of the Outer Hebrides. And then looking at how that land is then modified and shaped, and how animals arrive, birds arrive, plants begin to grow, communities evolve, develop, change over time. And then of course the incoming of human beings from the very earliest settlers right through to Iron Age, the arrival of the Norse, the settlement of the Norse, the changing nature of place names from Norse and Gaelic, English, how that changes over time. Then of course looking at the succession of various historical events in this small village. It's easy to think nowadays that this is a faraway place, and it's often talked about being a remote island, but in fact at some points of history this was the focal point of everybody's attention in the country because of things like the clearances and the land raids, the resettlements. There's a whole range of issues that come up there, and it's fascinating just in that one small area how much you can pile into the history and the development of that place. And then thinking about what makes that place special. Why is it different? Well, many communities, many island communities in the north and west of Scotland have very similar features in common, but probably none have the same exact patterns, the same exact archaeology, the social history, the communities of birds and wildlife in the area. So all these things go together to make a place unique, and in making that place unique, it gives something special to it, something that's very much the attraction of that place, the sense of belonging to a place. And realising that I had all this information that was about bringing all this together in some sort of cohesive, consistent story that tells what it's like through 3,000 million years of this place. And that's what the book is really in summary.